up, MG gang 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 gang. Welcome back to my channel and to my new viewers. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Subscribe to my channel. Yes, I gave the gray hair, silver hair, whichever color you want to call it, gave it a little break or whatever, you know, sheen. So this is her. What y'all think? In today's video, it's about this hair, this wig, y'all. Honestly, I think I want to do more to it. I couldn't do much with the parting at all. Like, I really couldn't do much because it wasn't that much space. I kind of plucked from here and I like stopped right here. I didn't pluck all the way around. It wouldn't make any sense to me because it's really long hair and my edges and all that stuff is being covered up. But I think I can play with this parting right here to make it look more realistic. It looks real wiggy. I mean, it is a wig, but the best thing about wearing a wig is you get to make it look as realistic. Like, you gotta make it look as realistic as possible. So, and that's always my goal. So I think I'm gonna pluck the parting some more. I did play with it a little bit, but then I stopped because when it was on the mannequin head, it looked okay. But now that I see it on my head, I can part it. I can pluck it. Because I was scared I was just going to make it look, it was just going to be too big. And it's just going to, like, baby girl, like, what are you doing? But, yes, she is pretty, y'all, though. She's really pretty. She's shedding like crazy. I love the curl pattern. Like, I like this loose type of curl and everything. I just feel like I need to pluck this part in a little bit more. And I don't know, maybe put some baby hairs right here. Like, I just feel weird without some baby hairs right now. Like, I'm not used to it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media accounts because I will be posting pictures and you will get to see like a final finish on this install. If I find it, the link will be in the description box if y'all are feeling this hair. So all the deets on where you can get it will be in the description box. If not, I try my best. I could not find it, sis. So y'all just gotta look for it at your local beauty supply store. Okay, so I went ahead and just went off camera. I was like, let me do this right now. So you can tell I added baby hairs and I did something to the parting as well. I don't know if it looks worse or better. Y'all decide. Like this video, give us a thumbs up right now if you think this is better than what you just saw. Yeah, she cute or whatever. She cute or whatever. So yeah, once again, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, go ahead and join the Noti game by clicking that bell down there like I just said. Wait, down there. Yeah, that one. Click it. Yeah, do that, and then yeah, we just gonna get straight into the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.